Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do a super soft melt in mouth gulab jamun using milk. For this I am going to take 1 liter of milk. Bring this to a boil. We are going to reduce the milk completely and you have two options here. Either you can keep it in high flame and stir this continuously, or you can keep the flame low and stir this occasionally, but you need a little extra time, that's it. Here the milk has reduced, but we have to make this a kova. You can either consider this as an unsweetened milk kova or koya. So here our milk kova is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Let this cool down a little bit, and once the heat is bearable, you can add a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this add half a teaspoon of baking soda and give this a nice mix. And we are going to knead this into a soft dough. If it is little hard to knead, you can add a little water. So here is our soft dough, let it rest for a while. By the time, let us prepare the sugar syrup. For the syrup we need 1 cup of sugar and quarter cup of water. To this add 2 crushed cardamom and a pinch of saffron, and saffron is completely optional. Here the sugar got melted, but we need to get a slightly sticky consistency. Boil this in medium flame for a few minutes and check for the consistency. It has to be slightly sticky like this. So this is almost ready. You can switch off the flame, let it warm down. By the time, let us heat the oil. We are going to fry the jamun, so add enough oil in the pan. We have to wait for the oil to become hot. So by the time, we'll make small balls out of the dough we have prepared. Grease your hand with some oil so that the dough won't stick to your hand. Take a small quantity and make a small ball out of it. And here the balls are ready. And our oil is also perfectly hot. You have to deep fry the balls in hot oil and in medium flame. Cook the balls in low to medium flame, and you have to cook this until it turns golden brown. This is perfect now. We can take it out. You can transfer these balls immediately into the sugar syrup. The balls has to absorb the sugar syrup, so we have to give them enough time. You can leave this for around 2 to 3 hours. And here our jamuns are ready. Let us transfer this into a serving bowl. This will be very soft and it will taste so good than your normal instant mix jamuns. Do try this. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.